Hey CosmetiCare, how's it going? We just got these really fun face masks in, which I'm loving. So thank you, Gold Sheep and Carrie. How are you living? It's week 9 of quarantine. Can you believe we've been in this for 9 weeks? Anyways, today on this simulation series, we have a beautiful 38-year-old female who seriously doesn't need any work, but her main concern is just this laxity of her lower face. So we are going to bring in Dr. Reagan, the Morpheus8 King, to weigh in on this simulation and give us his thoughts.
So we're going to talk about one of my favorite things, and that's laxity of the lower face and neck. This patient is a 38-year-old beautiful young woman, but she's starting to get that crepiness. If you've watched Real Housewives of Orange County, I did Morpheus8 on Kelly. And so this is a perfect patient to get a little bit of tightening with very little downtime, maybe just the rest of the day. Come into clinic, get treated with the Morpheus8, which is microneedling with radiofrequency. You're going to need a minimum of 3, maybe 6, but it is perfect for the younger patient that's starting to develop some crepiness of the lower face and neck. Any other questions? Contact us at CosmetiCare.
Want CosmetiCare to assess your photo? Send us a message, we'll send you the link.